this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Facebook Live registration chatbot so you can have more people to watch your show.
If you want people to show up for your Facebook Live, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook Live registration bot. And make sure to hang around until the end because I'm giving you a bonus tutorial on how to create a reminder messenger bot to notify those who registered to your live event so you won't be talking to yourself during the show.
So now we're here in ManyChat.com, and the great news is you can do these amazing things for this Facebook Live strategy for free using ManyChat. They have a free plan for you. And this is 100% in compliance to Facebook policies. So now let's go inside the ManyChat.com. Now we're here inside my ManyChat account. This is the dashboard and this is how it looks like. So to create your flow, go under here in the flows and click new flow to create one. So here you type the name of your flow and we'll just say Facebook Live testing registration bot. I'm just making up a name. So name it the way you could remember or organize for your life. This is how it would look like, and click here, add a text. So you put here the details of your Facebook Live and why would the audience have to tune in. It will be helpful for them to get excited as well and to really register for your event. Next is click here, image, because I like to add an image. People are visual, so you upload an image here that is exactly the same image that you use on your Facebook page when you put your Facebook Live announcement. And that way, once they enter the bot, they will associate that announcement with the Messenger bot registration. So to include a button here, so add button, and you can change this into register. Okay, and you can add an emoji by clicking this one, put here, and then click done. It will look like that. This red because you need to determine what action the button will do. So for this case, you need to direct them to a website. So click website, and here you would enter the URL. So you see if I type there, it says here open website. This is what you had entered. So what you will put here is your Facebook Live link after you pre-scheduled it. So you have to pre-schedule this in order to work, and I do that. I use StreamYard. There's also others tools that you can use for this, like such as BeLive. So it's up to you of your preference. For me, I use StreamYard. I went ahead and built it. I have here the image. If you click that, this is how it looks, and I have here a draft of the text, so you would see how it would look. Make sure that your texts are scannable and can be skimmed and doesn't look crowded. Okay, so here I have choose register, and when you click that, I put here the URL of when I pre-schedule the Facebook Live, and I'll show that later. What I want to show you here is you have to add perform actions. So you click that one, and so for example, you have to add, you click action, add a tag, and you will enter a tag that you have. So for this case, the tag I use is live and a topic. So just put it like that. And also you have to put a tag get notified request, because on this copy that I wrote here on the text, it says, be sure to click register below to receive notification when we go live for this event. So they are automatically tagged that they want to be notified, because you would notify those people that register for the event for the broadcast reminder, which you have to wait until the end of this tutorial. So I don't have one pre-schedule at this time, but I would show you that if you pre-scheduled it, there will be this one here will be a countdown that when you will go live. And you see I put here published by StreamYard. So this was from my past event. So what you do, if this has been pre-scheduled, you will not see this video here. You would click this date and time stamp. Once you click that, this would lead here, and you will have to copy up to all these numbers here before that forward slash and question mark. So that you copy, and then that's what you would use here on your, and type here and paste it right there. Make sure that you tag them that they are requesting to be notified. So this what you can do, and it's 100% compliance for the rules and policies of Facebook, and you can do this using the free plan of ManyChat. If you have a paid plan, you can do more. You can collect and ask people for their email addresses, and with that you can communicate with them using your email service provider. For me, I'm using ConvertKit. You have this initial setup. The next step is you have to add a trigger. From here, we are going to use ManyChat growth tool. So put here a ref URL, and you would use this URL when you would post it to your Facebook Live announcement. You will tell people to click here to register. So what you do is you will have to copy URL to your Facebook Live announcement. Copy. Okay? And make sure that it's activated. Here you would go under broadcasting. So choose broadcast, click new broadcast, and you would choose messenger. Went ahead and type it here. So you enter here your message. I put an example that ABCXYZ is about to go live in 15 minutes to share about blank. So you have to create the content type confirm event update. All right. So after that, you click go next, and you will be led here under settings. And then for the targeting, you would, since we choose messenger here, you would add condition. Click the tag. So if you tag earlier, I mentioned that tag must have request notification. So those people that has requested to get notified will get this reminder. And for the schedule when to send it out, you can either start sending now or schedule for later. So if you have an upcoming live tomorrow or the next day, you will have to put here the date and the time when you want it to send out. So if you're having Facebook Live, so say next Friday, you put that and what time you would send this out. So you click schedule message and it would go. I want to show you this Facebook Messenger platform policy overview. So it's very important, and I cannot emphasize it enough, that you have to follow Facebook policies in using this Messenger platform. Definitely, we don't want to be spamming. We only send to delight and engage with our customers, but not to be annoying. So, and I don't want you guys to be in trouble with Facebook. So they have here their messenger platform policy overview, and I could link this down below on the description. And also, I want to show you ManyChat's blog on this updates after March 4, 2020. This is a complete guide. So you would, if you would like to reading, then this is very lengthy, but I just thought to let you know that there is such a policy existing, and this blog in ManyChat shows here to help you define about what you can send during the time period. See the entire layout of implementing chatbot for your Facebook Live? Please watch this other video that I made for you. Let me know in the comments below if you find this tutorial helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel.